We have here candidates from Isabela Province, Tarlac, Pampanga, Cagayan Province. How was the experience? This is the first day for the Mr. Philippine Islands.
It was a great experience po for me because even though it is my first time, no, and I realized na it is also a great experience for me na mag-join for this national pageant.
First time mo mag-pageant or first time mag-national?
First time mag-national pageant po.
Oh, how does it feel that you're be competing with veterans, newbies, and national na ito? Labanan na ito ng iba't ibang
Yes.
lugar.
Nakakaba po pero masaya rin po ako at the same time.
Laban lang.
Yes.
Okay. Tarla, kayo ay medyo malalakas sa mga Miss Universe Philippines, Binibining Pilipinas, Mr. Filipinas Worldwide, and now you're next representing Tarlac. Is it pressuring you? Di ba alam mo naman na medyo malalakas ang Tarlac ngayon?
I don't consider this as pressure po because to be honest, I'm happy and grateful because I'm representing Tarlac province at the same time. Because what is the most important actually is how I present myself in front of a lot of people. And for me, I don't compare myself anything, either that person is veterans or a newbie, because I believe that there is something unique for me in myself. So that is something I would like also to showcase, not just only the stage, but also outside that will make me become remarkable in this competition.
Okay, that's nice. Pampanga, I'm always saying na ano ba ang meron sa Pampanga at ano bang iniinom ng mga Pampanggenyo at Pampangenya? Bakit ang gwagwapo at ang gaganda nila? So I think you are gonna be answering that because you're a representation of Pampanga. Ano ang reason?
I think nasa blood na po.
Oh.
So we are colonized by different countries like Spain. You know, we know that. So, and then maybe because of foods.
Thank you so much, Cagayan Province.
Hello.
So, is this your first time to join the
Yeah.
pageant or national or local or first time talaga mag-pageant?
One in local, one in national. This
So what's
first
that local?
Mr. Tuguegarao City.
Oh, and national is?
This Mr.
Ah,
Philippines Island.
so two times pala. Bakit mo naman naisip na sumali sa isang pageant, national pa, and you'll be competing with good guys from any other provinces or cities of the Philippines?
Para ma-boost ang aking confidence. Then, to get out to my comfort zone. To build myself.
In one word, what do you think is Mr. Filipinas Island?
Masculine.
Cultural, respectable.
Wow.
Showing confidence enough.
Wow. Hindi ko expect yung mga words na yun, ha? That's great for you na mabilis ang pag-iisip. In order for you to be better, is not the best on the 29th sa ating coronation night. Good luck, guys. I know that you are all equally handsome with good bodies and physique, and also, syempre, you can all communicate well. Maraming salamat and good luck here at Mr. Philippine Islands 2026. Thank you so much.